Hello students and welcome back to my channel. So students, today we are going to discuss new chapter, that is chapter number 1 of your class 9 science, that is matter in our surroundings. So we'll start with your exercises first. So question number 1 is convert the following temperatures into the Celsius scale. First is your 300 K, that is 300 Kelvin, and 573 Kelvin. So to convert Kelvin to Celsius, what we do? We use the formula Celsius equals to Kelvin minus 273, in which we substitute the value of Kelvin to get the temperature in Celsius. So let's see the first one, that is a 300 Kelvin. So what we'll do is simply subtract it with 273, that is 300 minus 273, which equals to 27 degrees Celsius. So next is a part B. This is also similar to part 1, that is 573 subtracted by 273, which equals to 300 degrees Celsius. So next is a question number 2. Convert the following temperatures into the Kelvin scale. So now you have to convert Celsius into Kelvin. So instead of subtracting, what we'll do, we'll simply add the sum, that is your 273. So first is your 25 degrees Celsius and second is your 373 degrees Celsius. So 25 plus 273 equals to 298 Kelvin, and 373 plus 273 equals to 646 Kelvin. So next is a question number 3. Give reasons for the following observation. First part, naphthalene balls disappear with time without leaving any solid. We can get the smell of perfume sitting several meters away. So when naphthalene balls are kept open for few days, then I'm sure you all have observed that its size diminishes and it simply disappears. So how does this actually happen? Let's see the answer. Naphthalene shows the property of sublimation. Evaporation of naphthalene takes place easily and so it disappears during course of time without leaving a solid. So naphthalene balls are volatile substances which sublime, that is, they change from solid to gaseous state without coming into liquid state. So next is a part B. Perfumes vaporize very fast and its vapors diffuse into air easily, and that is why we can smell perfume sitting several meters away. So how we are able to get the smell of a perfume even when we are sitting several meters away? For this, the concept of gases must be very clear to you. Gases have large spaces between them and they are always in a random motion. These perfume particles diffuse in these gaseous particles very easily and at a very fast rate. Thus, we can smell perfume even sitting several meters away, because as we have already discussed, these perfume contain volatile solvent and they can reach to a person even when he is sitting several meters away. So I hope it's clear. So next is a question number 4. Arrange the following in increasing order of forces of attraction between the particles water, sugar and oxygen. सिंपली आपको क्या बोलना है, किस पे सबसे ज़्यादा फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट है. सो सॉलिड्स हैव द strongest intermolecular force of attraction. In liquids, it is less than solid but more than gases, and in gases, it is very weak. So यहाँ पे आपको 3 ऑप्शन गिवन है, that is water, sugar and oxygen. So the correct sequence is oxygen is less than water is less than sugar. That is, sugar क्या है? The intermolecular force of attraction is maximum in solids, that is your sugar, less in liquid, that is your water, and least in gases, that is your oxygen. So next is the question number 5. What is the physical state of water at 25 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius. So first is your 25 degrees Celsius, that is ये किसके between है, between 0 degree Celsius that is the melting point and 100 degrees Celsius that is your boiling point. तो ये क्या है आपका physical state of water, क्या है, liquid. नेक्स्ट इज योर 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, तो ये क्या होगा इसका फिजिकल स्टेट ऑफ वाटर, ईदर सॉलिड स्टेट में होगा या फिर लिक्विड स्टेट में होगा. एंड द लास्ट वन इज 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस, तो 100 डिग्री का क्या होगा, लिक्विड एंड गैस दैट इज योर वेपर.